if you're going to use one of our easy vents for venting, we'll go ahead and cut the decking out 29 by 5 inches. We also recommend putting a screen over that hole. That way we don't get any insects into the attic. Go ahead and fasten that. Then we'll come back with our easy vent. You can see it's just a panel that we put a vent on top of it and stone coated it. It's going to install just like a normal panel. So we'll go ahead and put this one on. Fasten through the front nose. And we'll also go ahead and fasten through the top just like we do the regular panel. Once we get all my fasteners across the top, we're going to go ahead and come back with our M-sill. Since we have that flat vent on there, we want to go ahead and put this on in between our top panel. And we're going to go ahead and take our top panel, sandwich that M-sill in between the two, and then behind the vent only, we're going to go ahead and fasten down through the top. Just like so. Make sure you caulk and chip these screws that go down through the top just like our bottom row.